Making anything in particular today, or just working the furnace?
I'm going to work on a couple little actions probably when I get going here. This was a tool and hardware shop. And anything you can think of, you can now buy at Lowe's Hardware.
So you're just trying to get the furnace hot right now? Is that what you're doing?
Trying to get it. I'm just trying to build a fire. That's all.
Oh, okay.
Get it cooked up. You don't, you know, I mean, if you're tempering or hardening something, you might do that. But, so that's getting close to being, you know, hot enough. I want it a little hotter so I don't have to, you know, fool with it too much. I mean, because it's welded together. It's a strap weld to make the axe. You know, you just bend this over, and then this is, you know, basically, here's the steps to it. You can start out like this.
Okay, so that's one of
Bend it into that shape, and if you're good enough, you can weld it together into one piece. You know, with what's left. So you're welding it, not welding it like modern welding, but
yeah, hammer
but literally making it into one piece. You know, from it's like a chemical and physical process. The hammer blows and, you know, forces it all into one piece, basically. Instead of just sticking it together.